Hi everyone, my name is Ben Freer and I'm a U.S. immigration lawyer who focuses on helping entrepreneurs. Today we're going to cover the E-2 visa for children of the primary applicant. We will discuss the requirements, the application process, and the pros and cons of this visa category as it relates to children. All right, let's get started with the requirements. The good news is that the requirements for children of E-2 visa applicants are pretty straightforward. They need to prove two things: that they are under 21 and that they are, in fact, your children. To do this, we simply present their birth certificate. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that different countries issue different versions of birth certificates. To make sure that we have the correct version, we check the visa reciprocity table. This table tells us exactly which version the US government wants to see. Also, depending on their nationality, your children will need a passport with at least 24 to 30 months of validity remaining. So what does the application process look like? Well, all applicants, including children, need to submit a DS-160 application and pay the visa fee. If your child is 14 or older, they will need to attend an interview. Once approved, all family members will have to pay a reciprocity fee if it applies to your country. If your child shares your nationality, their visa will have the same validity period as yours. However, if they have a different nationality, the validity period will be determined by the visa rules that apply to their country of nationality. And if their country doesn't have an E-2 treaty, their visa will match the primary applicant's validity period. Now let's talk about the benefits and drawbacks of the E-2 visa for children. On the plus side, they can stay in the US in E-2 dependent status until they turn 21, and they can attend school during this time. However, there are some downsides. Once they turn 21, they age out of E-2 dependent status and will need to find another visa option if they want to stay in the US. Also, they cannot work as E-2 dependents. So to wrap things up, the E-2 visa can be a great option for families, but it's important to understand the requirements and limitations. Make sure that you have the correct birth certificate, keep an eye on passport validity, and be aware of the age limitations and work restrictions. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions or need help with the E-2 visa application, I recommend that you reach out to one of the many talented US immigration lawyers that you can find across the globe. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates on E-2 visa topics. We'll see you next time.